So this is continuation of what led me to Lent, intermittent fasting, and getting myself on to lose this weight. So watch the first video first to give you the backstory. It's only 10 minutes, I promise you, and it may help some of you as well when some of us get that wake-up call. It's very important. So Saturday I did very good. The first part of the day I did okay. I drank water all day, and then for dinner I had pizza and one of my Korean sodas with the marble in it, and then I drank water for the rest of the night. I think, yeah, I didn't have anything else after that. I went to bed. Yesterday, Sunday, was kind of like okay. After church, I didn't have anything to eat. All I had was water. When we went to church, we left the house about 8:30 or so, and we went to lunch. I didn't know that we was going out to lunch. And so we went to Firehouse Subs, and I had a cheesesteak on wheat bread, a medium size. It was about this big. It was all right. And then I had some baked Lay's barbecue sour cream and cheddar chips. They was the baked ones. That was like 65% less fat opposed to getting regular chips. And I could have got something else, but I just did that. I did have a small soda, but I filled the cup up. Y'all always know I get extra ice. So without the ice, it's really not a lot of soda. So I got a Sprite. I've been stopped drinking Cokes and stuff like that. I always drink Sprite or ginger ale. And so I put a lot of ice in the cup. Once I drank that, that was it. I went back to my water. For dinner, I had some crab claws and a lobster tail, and then maybe about 2 ounces of chicken with some red beans and rice, 1 cup of it, and some mixed vegetables I roasted in the oven. And I did have some juice, and then from there I drank water. So before we had lunch, I was drinking water. After lunch, I drank water all the way to dinner, and I had a small cup of juice with a whole lot of ice in it, some peach juice with a whole lot of ice in it. And then after that, I was still up, so I had 2 mangoes and a fourth of a cup of vanilla yogurt with about 1 ounce of granola in it, and that was it. And so far, I don't know what time it is. I think it's about 1:30 or so. I have not eaten yet. All I've been doing was drinking water. I got up, brushed my teeth, washed my face, weighed myself, measured my body, put my workout clothes on, and to come tell y'all, I'm doing T25. I bought this years ago, and I had gotten great results off of it. The first round I did it. And so I'm not ready to go back to joining a workout center yet because I'm still running around with my kids, and I just don't want to be doing all of that running back and forth until I'm free, like no kids having to go nowhere, be picked up every day, and all of that stuff. Unless it's like once a week or something like that. But my middle son, he's a senior. He's done with sports until he leaves in June to go to report for his first day of college and football for the summer. And but my youngest son wants to play basketball again. And basketball is like twice a week. So I said, you know what? Until probably like May, I'm going to sit here and do this T25. And we all know it gets really hot there, so you ain't doing nothing outside. So I'm doing T25. Excuse the dust. It was sitting up under my TV for years. And I'm going to start with my Monday readings. Now, last week I was really surprised because I also started my intermittent fasting seriously on Wednesday as well. Tuesday, when I went to the doctor, I did take off my shoes. I did take off my shoes, but I still had on my clothes. But clothes only weigh so much. But I had not eaten. I was just drinking water. And I was 253, which was consistent because I was weighing myself without clothes one time and I was 254. And I was doing intermittent fasting, but I was just eating anything when I ate. So, and I was only eating like once a day and maybe a snack. So I totally wasn't doing it right. I wasn't getting in my calories and was just doing any old thing. So that don't really count. So with clothes off, my highest when I weighed myself was 254, and I left the scale and didn't look back until I was seriously ready to do this. And so I weighed myself when Thursday, and the scale said 248.4.9 or something like that. And I had lost like 5 pounds in those 2 days between Tuesday and Thursday. I had lost 5 pounds. And so I didn't weigh myself anymore because weight can go up, down. Like when you on a eating plan trying to lose weight, your weight go like this. Dip, and then come, you be like, what the heck is going on? So I was doing serious intermittent fasting. I want to get this done in 10 minutes. But what I was doing the first couple of days, I want to say Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I was doing like 19-4, fasting for 19 hours and eating within 4 hours or something like that, or 18-6. But you want to pick what cycle of intermittent fasting you want to do and not be switching all over the place. So if you want to do 16-8 just to get into it, I recommend that you do 16-8 because some people can't do it. For me, I don't eat breakfast. I'm kind of just sitting around all day. You know, I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I'm not really that active. So I can go longer without eating. And normally I break my fast with a protein smoothie. That's normally. But today I weighed myself. I got up, like I said, brushed my teeth, washed my face. I weighed myself and I was 248.2. So I actually really did, even with the couple of slip ups Saturday and Sunday, I really did lose a little over 5 pounds because I'm still in the 248 range, but I'm 0.2 now, and I believe it was 248.9 or 0.8 or something like that. So I'm 248.2. My chest is 42 inches. My waist is 41. My arms is 15 1/4. My thigh is 27, and my hips are 50. And so these are my readings. I won't weigh myself again until Saturday. Again, I'm doing T25, so you start with the alpha first. They do give you a calendar, but I put mine somewhere and I can't remember where I put it. So you follow this calendar right here. So I'm on week 1, and this is a 5-week. For the alpha cycle, it's a 5-week. And I started off with the cardio. And then on Saturday, I weigh myself and measure myself all over again to see during that week what, if I record my stacks for the weeks. Then the next 5 week, you go to the beta cycle, and that bumps it up. So you go to this cycle. So I'm just doing day 1 of the alpha cycle. On Fridays, you do, you do double workout, or you can do one and do your workout on Saturday as well. So that's it. So I check back in with y'all on Saturday to tell y'all how I'm doing. Peace.